All right, we're having a look at composition of functions, and specifically we're looking at questions here where we're not plugging in specific values, we're leaving it in terms of the general value x here. So the one we're working on right now is this is the last one here, and this is a double composition here, triple functions here. And let's call this, just for lack of a better one, let's call this k of x. I've been using h of x before in the last few questions, but now h of x is part of this one, so we're going to use a new variable here. So k of x is going to equal, well, I'm going to start on the inside, f of x. Okay, so I'm going to have h of g of, what goes inside g has got to be equivalent to f of x. And so now if you look back to the original here, f of x is equal to 4x. So now I come over to my function, and instead of writing f of x, I will write 4x. And now I take a step out. Okay, and now I'm going to take a look at g, because I've dealt with f of x inside here. Now I'm going to take a look at g. Okay, this is still going to be inside h, but this is what g does. G increases the independent variable by 6. Okay, whatever shows up inside that set of parentheses there, g increases that by 6. So in this case here, in the g function, we saw 4x. So what g does to that is increase that expression by 6. Excellent. So now, what does h do to it? Well, h, if you take a look at the original question, h takes the independent variable and squares it. Well, in this case here, this is taking the place of the independent variable. So what h is going to do, h is going to take 4x plus 6 and is going to square it. Now, you probably could get away with just leaving it like that. However, I suspect they're going to want us to actually square that. So 4x plus 6 squared is going to be 16x squared plus 24 will be plus 48x plus 36. Whoops, and that's the expression that I think they're looking for here.